I don't know who still goes ahead to purchase a property in this time and age without proper investigation, proper verification of title of such property. You shouldn't do that. Please don't be among the people that make this kind of mistake. In this video, I'm going to mention a few government established bodies, offices where you can walk into and conduct search on any property that you intend to purchase, so as to avoid making mistake of paying money to someone who is not the bona fide owner of such a property. Welcome to my channel. This is Law Talks and Gist. If you're seeing my face for the first time, thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, comment, and click on the subscribe button, please, and kindly turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. Thank you for always stopping by. Now let's dive into the video. The first place on my list to conduct search on any property is the Lands Registry. So if you're living in any state other than the Federal Capital Territory, walk into the Lands Registry of that state to conduct search on the property. So the Land Registry will reveal a lot of things about that property for you. Whether the person claiming to be the owner is truly the owner, the description of the property, the size of the property, and everything, all that you need to know about the property. Please go to the Lands Registry of that state where the land is situated, and you will get all the information that you need. The second on my list is AGIS, the Abuja Geographic Information System. That is, if you're living in FCT, Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, please go to AGIS. The same thing that the Lands Registry of the state would do is the same thing that AGIS would do if you're in Abuja. Please go there. All the information that you need about the property that you intend to purchase, you're going to get it there. If you are in Abuja and you want to purchase a property and you have not gone to AGIS to investigate the title of that property, then you are joking, because your money will wave you goodbye. Yes. And then the third on my list is the Probate Registry. If the property is a subject of a bequest by will, going to the Probate Registry will reveal a lot of things. If the property is a subject of bequest by will, was it willed to anyone? Who are the beneficiaries? Who are the personal representatives who are entitled to convey the property? And then, is there any challenge on the will? So you will get to know a lot of things about that particular property. Maybe any predecessor in title is dead. The Probate Registry is going to reveal everything to you. So it is very, very necessary for you to always walk into the Probate Registry to conduct search on a property, especially if you hear that any of the predecessors in title is dead. It is very, very important. Remember, I once made a video about the Probate Registry where whether someone died testate or intestate and you want to apply for a letter of administration or letter of execution, that is where you go to. So if you remember that video, I believe you can relate to what I'm trying to say in this particular video now. So it is also a place for you to conduct search on any property. The fourth on my list is the court. Go to the High Court of the state. If it is in FCT, go to the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory and conduct search on that property. That is to know if the property in question is a subject of litigation. Is there any pending litigation on this particular property that I want to purchase? And if yes, has the court decided? Has the court given any judgment? What is the decision of the court? So that would reveal whether you should go ahead and purchase the property or you should leave the property alone until the court decides, until the court gives judgment. And then the last but not the least on my list is the property itself. Physical inspection of the property that you want to purchase. Go there I would have loved to share my own experience. I remember back then I purchased a property, and it was a bush. So after some time, there were back and forth issues like that. So one day I did not visit that property for more than a year, and then one day I told my brother, please, let's go to that property. Something told me, let's go to the property. And when I went there, lo and behold, they had planted on that property. Who planted it? I saw someone planting in another land that's sharing boundary with that particular land. And the person we saw there was like, I know the owner of this property. And I said, who? I pretended as if I didn't buy the property. Said, so person, this, that. The property was sold, blah, 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 blah. And I contacted the person who sold the property to me. That was how I got to know that that property was resold to another person. So physical inspection of the property itself helps to reveal if the property is authentic, if the seller is a scammer or not. You have to beware, please. Be very careful, be mindful. Money is hard to come by these days. I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.